Uh, Good evening, guys. Today I'll give you tutorials how to travel during coronavirus from Middle East, America, Southeast Asia, and other part of the world. If you are stuck in other countries and you want to come back to your home country, first you have to register with your High Commission, Indian High Commission in that designated area country. They will ask you about your passport details. They will give you some website details. In that website you have to fill up all your details, your name, your passport number, your age, your validity of passport, when it's going to expire, the visa, when it's going to expire. These all questions are there, and then they will give you one number. You have to keep remembering that number and have to keep chasing the embassy. Once you have done this, then the embassy will come out with some flight details, that when they are going to fly back from that particular place to India, you have to they will give you one brochure. In my case, they have referred me to one uh, travel agency. They were booking tickets for repatriation to India. So I paid the money through bank, and they had given me slip. That slip is a ticket to come back to India. So once you receive the date and the slip about your flight, you have to approach airport. When you reach the airport, the embassy people, they will give you some forms and the medical thing like 14-day mandatory quarantine for you. You will fill up this form, then they will let you board. They will check your all the other documents and let you board the flight. When you are boarding the flight, they will give you provide you the protective shield and protective PPE gear for you. After you landed to your after you boarded the airplane, they will give you some food, and then you will reach your final destination. Once you reach your final destination, that process is very tedious. It takes around 2 to 3 hours to complete. At the airport, the CISF people, they will ask which place you are going. Based on your place of where you are going, they will divide the people on groups. In my case, they divided in groups like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Once you are divided in all these groups, then they will let you do your clearance at the immigration, and you will collect your baggage. And after once you have collect your baggage, the CISF will take your passport. Once you are out of the airport, there are counters opened by different states. In my case, all the cities, like all the states like Punjab have different counter, Haryana has got different counter, Himachal got different counter, UP got different counter, and Uttarakhand got different counter. At that place, you will approach the health from the Department of Health. They will ask you which place you are from, and then at that place, the CISF guy will give you back the passport. The health people, they will collect your information. They'll let you file two forms. One form is for your hotel, and another form they will write up your passport details and everything. Once this form is already filled up, then from airport, the CISF people, they will give you clearance. You will go out from that place, but you have to carry that form along with you. From there, you take either taxi or you take any other mode, but you have to go to your final destination in either a dharamsala or hotels, or depend on your budget la. In my case, I took Hermitage Hotel. I am staying at Hermitage Hotel right now. It's been then you approach there, you have to call back to airport that you reach here. in that particular hotel or that particular place. The police will call you 2 3 times. They will check whether you are there or not. The hotel where you are staying, they will make a list. That list they will send to district health authorities. District health authorities, they will send people in within 2 and 3 days. They will take your sample, and within 24 hours or 48 hours they will give you the result of your corona. In my case, I am negative right now. Then you, when you are staying at the hotel will provide you 3 times meals. Depends on your budget. Some places they don't provide food, you have to arrange yours. But in my case, because I'm paying, uh, they are giving me food and everything. And in 2 3 days I am going to get released. After that you have to do 7 days um, quarantine at your home. That one I'll do later on.